This is a walkthrough of how to download the Prophesy fuel tax rates. First, visit www.mile.com. Go to About Us, Support. Scroll down to the Downloads section where you'll find Current Tax Rates. Click on that, and that will bring you to the Rates Update page. Check the current rates version to make sure it matches the documentation you received either through email or fax. Then click the Download the Update link. Click Run or Open in some browsers. If you receive this message, click Actions, Run Anyway, and then click Yes. When the update starts, click Next, read and agree to the terms and services, and then click on your base jurisdiction to check for any updates to your IFTA form. The password has been provided to you by email or fax, so enter that here. If you haven't received the password, contact your account representative. The update has been finished, so we'll click Finish. Now we can go into Prophesy. I run TaxTally through Prophesy Dispatch. You may open TaxTally directly with a TaxTally icon. When TaxTally opens, click Utility, Update Tax Rates. You may receive a message prompting you to do this as soon as you open TaxTally. At the top here you'll see the taxrates.tt7 file. Make sure that is selected and then click Install. Next, click the Update button and wait for all of the states to finish updating. You'll receive a message at the end. Click OK, and the rates have been updated. Now go to the Preferences button on the toolbar to open the Preferences window and check the rates version right here. Verify that it's the same as the version mentioned in your documentation. If you report fuel taxes for multiple companies, you will need to log into each company in Dispatch or Prophesy 1 and repeat the update process within TaxTally. And this concludes the tax rate update process.